Hello dear friends, in this video I will be making cranberry jam. This jam can be used as a standalone spread for breakfast. You can add it to tea or use it for rolls, croissants and cakes. As always, you can find the list of ingredients below the video. If you use frozen cranberries, rinse them with cold water. No need to thaw. Put the frozen cranberries into a tall pan or a pot with a thick bottom. Pour in some water. This is to prevent the cranberries from burning before they release their juice. Place the pan over medium heat. Bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. Once the cranberries boil, cook them for 5 to 7 minutes until most of the berries burst and release a lot of juice. You can gently mash the berries with a spoon or a masher to speed up the process. Reduce the heat to low and add sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir actively until the sugar completely dissolves. The mixture should boil again. Set the heat to medium. Cook the jam, stirring constantly for 10 to 15 minutes. If foam forms, remove it if possible. This will make the jam clearer. Cook the jam for 10 to 15 minutes. After it cools completely the next day, it will become much thicker. You can transfer the jam into clean sterilized jars and store it in the fridge for up to 2 months due to its low sugar content, or freeze it. I hope my video will be helpful to you. See you again, friends.